So all done. The ATS and the lamps are installed. The battery breakers, battery combiner. The AC and DC isolators are also installed. And then the protection relay and the separate load and grid breakers. And then the generator. And we will see the parameters. So as of 4:33 p.m., harvest of solar panels, we'll check the parameters. So 0 export to city, load first, and then the time of use. And then the battery setting, 600 AH. 2 batteries, 1 battery 300 AH. Connected in parallel, so that's why 600 AH. Lithium, and then grid setting, where connection time is 6 minutes. And that's all, normal.